It's graduation day. It's not as exciting as it sounds. I'm actually sad because graduation day means the end. So I'll see you in there because it's still like 9:30, so it's still too early. I'm so sad. I just got my ears. I'm in line now for my mouse certificate appointment. Congratulations, I have my ears. Pictures and stuff will be inserted in the video in a minute.
I think it's because
I did it. I got my mouse certificate. Yay. We're in the line for Mickey. Mary and I may not see him because I start at 1. Yay. Abby, I'll probably edit it out. But look, here's Abby. She works with me. Buddy.